Y'all, he over there trying to find a way to heat up his honey bun, because we ain't got no microwave in here. So he literally got the doggone honey bun and on the stove.
Yeah, I've improvised one.
Oh my gosh. Y'all, he's never like worked the electric stove like that. He said that shit got hot real quick.
Yeah, she got high.
Is the honey bun getting hot, babe?
No.
Oh my gosh. He thought that would really work.
A little bit. Yeah, it's not almost.
I don't know who told you that would work.
It has potential though.
It have potential.
It's not take too long.
Mm-hmm.
Improvising the people. Yeah, man.
Y'all, he gonna ask, he was like, babe, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? It's 4 o'clock right now. I mean, the sun is gonna go down soon. So the only other thing for us to do, I guess, is like fix our dinner and just talk. Have deep conversations. That's I love deep conversations. Yeah. Get the brain going. Y'all, we forgot the board game. I mean, it was Connect 4. I didn't really want to bring it though. I wanted to get a different kind of game, but I forgot to get those cards. So I got some cards at home. This fool over here burning the honey bun. He got steam coming over there. Y'all see him? He over here burning the honey bun. He is something else. But I bought these cards off of Amazon like a while ago. Probably back in...
You brought it?
No. I didn't pull them down. So it was like a deep talk card deck or whatever. So I'm gonna try to find like, cause I know this app is called Lemon 8. They have like it's kind of like Pinterest in a way. I know I've seen some posts on there was like questions to ask your significant other or whatever. So I'm gonna see if I can find some deep thought, like deep talk questions, and then we're gonna sit and we're gonna talk and we're gonna get deep. You know what I'm saying? Tell me about a moment in the last few weeks when I said something that made your day a little better.
Answer that question right now?
Mm-hmm.
Say that again?
Tell me about a moment in the last few weeks when I said something that made your day a little better.
We're in the last few what?
Last few weeks. When I made your day feel a little better.
So you would always come up to me and sit in my lap and hug me when I'm feeling down. You kiss me on my cheeks and tell me everything's gonna be okay.
Aww.
Yeah. You do it every time.
That's gonna make me cry. That's so sweet.
That's exactly. And then one thing you talk, next thing out, so it seems like the thing that I from work that's supposed to deliver it to me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was telling me, I'm gonna work it out. I'll call them. I'll work it out. You know, you show that you care.
Oh, yeah. Cause I do. I just want to see you happy.
Mm-hmm. No ships, man. No ships.
You know your ships.
No ships, right?
Oh.
No ships, man.
No ships.
What's that thing? Different. I leave that door open.
For the smoke stuff. Oh, babe, is that bag on the stove? That bag, is it on the stove top?
This?
Yeah.
No.
Oh. Why would you make it to me? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find some questions or whatever, and we're gonna talk about it. Oh, this is kind of cool. They have a little cheat sheet. Okay, I'll use this.
Can I sing this? I'll let go so we can see.
Okay, lose your sense of touch or your sense of smell. I would say, oh. That's good. Cause it's like, I'm a touchy person, like, especially with him, like, you know, I'm a touchy person. But sense of smell, it's like, it's different because it's like, you smell your favorite foods.
Yeah, I know.
Smell
That's the
your
only thing about
cologne.
smell. I don't care for cologne. I care for
No, like your scent or whatever.
Oh,
Smell your scent. I would say I would lose touch, maybe.
Lose touch?
I would lose touch because your sense of smell could like save your life, and it could also like be beneficial for you. So like, say if God forbid something happened to you, right? Or like, say if we pass by the place where we had our first date and I smell something that reminds me of our first date, it's like, okay, that memory just floated back in my head of like the time we had. Like, say if I smell a cologne that you wore 5 years ago and I'm like, oh my gosh, I really love this cologne, how it smells on him. And then it just took me back to that place where, like, you know, good times we had, or, you know, when you wore that cologne, the moments we had or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
And as far as like touch, it's like, yeah, I say touch because, you know, I be wanting to touch you and all that stuff. But I think I would say sense of smell would be something that I would rather have than touch. Yeah, for sure.
Sense of smell, okay.
Mm-hmm.
No, I might touch.
You said I don't want your touch?
No, I might touch.
Is there anyone in your life that you are glad that you're no longer in contact with? I would say yes. I'm not gonna say who, even though I'm pretty sure this person don't watch our channel, whatever. But I'm gonna say yes for me, because that person, you know, almost disconnected me from my family, from the people that I love and everything, and kind of like made me feel less of myself in a way. Y'all, you can't figure out the plugs. I might have to call the people then. And y'all, I ordered like a little power bank thingy, but it didn't come in time. It's not gonna be here until Friday, because I wanted like a portable charger. I had bought one from off of Amazon, like the little magnet thing or whatever it's called, to stick on the back of your phone, but it wasn't doing it for me. Like, it said fast charging or whatever, like, but it wasn't charging up. Like, I could plug my phone into my charger that's in the wall and it'll charge up in like 30 minutes. But the one that was on my phone, like, it literally took, ooh, excuse me, it literally took 2.5 hours to get from 18 to 28%. But while he's doing that, I won't explain too much in detail of this person that I'm glad I'm not in contact with anymore. But I would just say that I really lost myself in that person, honestly. And yeah, I'm glad I'm not in contact with that person.
The light is on, but it's just not on charge.
Is there anyone in your life you're glad you're not in contact with anymore?
Yes.
Why?
Oh shit.
Damn, baby.
It's like, I'm glad I'm not in contact with them no more, but then again, I don't hate them, because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be here right now. See what I mean? But all I can say is when I met that person over there, when I moved to over here, that person switched. The whole changed up. It not only hurt me, but hurt, you know, my family as well. But at the same time, if it wasn't for them, I would not be here right now. I'd probably still be in Jamaica. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Finish this sentence. I think you're extremely smart when it comes to...
I'm saying it towards you. Communication. Communication and how can I say? You know, when I was stressing and running about stuff, and he always come and try to calm my nerves down. And then when you calm my nerves down, give about a couple weeks, whatever I'm stressing over go away, or if it's a package, it come deliver. But he always in my ears telling me it's gonna be okay, I'm gonna work it out.
Like de-escalate or?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what to put it. Yeah, so that's a communication.
Communication. Yeah, that's cool. What?
What about me though? Boy, I want your reality.
I think you're extremely smart when it comes to family, I guess I would say. I don't want to say the general thing, like when it comes to reading or math or whatever, like this general. Like, I think you're extremely smart when it comes to family, because not only like are you protective or anything, but it's like when it's family involved, you're like, okay, we need to do this, we need to get this, we need to do this, we need to get this, or we need to do it this way, we need to do it this way, we need to do it that way. And then that's one of the reasons why I'm not afraid to like start a family with you.
Yeah. Like
the thought of like you, like being with you and having kids with you is not like something that I stress over. Now in our situation and how we are, like,
guys, keep talking about. I keep looking back because I can see
the road.
No, I can't see. Well, I can't see the road. That's why I got the window.
Oh, that's why you over there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Scary self. That's why I say I think you're extremely smart when it comes to family, and I think you will be even smarter when we start, like, when we start having kids.
Yeah.
Like, it's just gonna kick in like ×2.
I feel that.
I feel it too. Yeah. Okay, so I guess when we come back, we're gonna be cooking or whatever, because it's 4:18. Lady walking right there.
What?
Look at you. Look at him. You see her? You seen her? Huh?
You ever see her? Believe me, right now. What the God?
Yeah, I seen her reflection go across the window, so that's why I was looking through there, and then I just looked there. But yeah, anyways, y'all, he's scary.
I see the boy. I see the boy.
Okay, y'all, so I just seasoned up the chicken. I just put some Caribbean Traditions chicken seasoning, the Jamaican jerk seasoning, and the hot flavor, some garlic powder, and jerk seasoning. So that's all I put in. This is what, I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's what it looks like. So what time is it? What time?
5:23.
5:23. So we're gonna let this marinate in here. Let me get some paper towels. Y'all, one thing about me, I do not like my hands or my area being wet. I don't know. Maybe it's a female thing. But yeah. So I guess I'll put this in the refrigerator until we're ready for it. Never mind. It will not fit. Okay. Wipe this off. Put that right there. Okay. Let that sit to the side. So now I gotta do the corn. So the only thing that I'm gonna do to the corn is I'm gonna rinse it off and then wrap it in foil paper with some butter on it. So that's the corn. So yeah, I'm finna just wash this corn, put some butter on it, and wrap it up in foil paper. And then after that, we're going to be ready to go and light the fire pit thingy. I don't know. So I'm gonna do this, and then I guess we'll see y'all outside.
All right, babe. All right, guys. Damn, it's dark.
It is.
You guys can't really see me. There you go. Alright guys, baby's fixing the dinner. She already seasoned the chicken as she said before. Now she's doing the corn and the cob. And then we're gonna go outside and fix the pit. We're gonna see how it's gonna look, man. We're gonna see how dark it's gonna get, but we're gonna make some food and then get back in before the mosquitoes come out.
Yeah, mosquitoes there.
Okay. I'm gonna sit. Huh? What do you need? Okay. What do you need? Time to put on the washing line too.
What?
On the pit.
We can use that one. Alright, so we got everything wrapped up. So let me close this butter bag. I don't want to use all the butter. It's the only one we have. That's the only one we have left. I think, yeah.
I thought you brought a big butter. I don't know what you thought.
Oh, the big jar. Alright. So now, okay.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna turn the camera back on when we outside setting up the pit. Alright guys, so I stopped the fire, I know. So this first time I do this. Can you guys see me? Yeah. What is it? Guys, wish us luck. We don't know what we are do, but I make it work somehow, you see me? Guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me stoop down a bit. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you see me? Maybe gonna get the file. Look a little bright on the camera, but it's much darker. It's much darker. I low-key, in times like this, I low-key wish we had a dog. But these need to be touching each other then, huh? Just in case when it's light. So what was that? What was those things in the thing for?
I think that was supposed to help us start.
Alright guys, so we are about to light the fire. Hopefully
it goes well. Yeah, I had to YouTube this because I've never used that before. It's like a meathead fire starter thingy. So it looks like it has wax in it with like wood. So I guess once we light it, it'll light up and it'll warm, like, you know, heat up the wood or whatever. So let's see. Ready?
Yeah. You want me to do it or you? Let me see. What is that? Hold on.
I know you fucking lying.
What? What ears on? I can't really hear
spider web.
My headphones and I got the hood on my head.
It's a spider web.
Get sick. Ready?
It's like you don't want to light. Oh, there you go. Maybe keep high. Flame it up on that one flame. Where that flame is at, yeah. Okay, we maybe got something.
Just in case it shoot up. Oh shit. Is that it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I guess we're just gonna let that.
Let's see.
Do what it do.
I don't want to turn my back.
No, we gonna hear him. No, bugs. I'm not an outdoor person, y'all.
Are we doing this right?
Mm-hmm.
Should we get like a piece of paper and catch a piece of paper and start the ends?
Mm-hmm. I ain't never like started wood.
I already know we're gonna have like at least one person in the comments say y'all doing it wrong.
Well, this is our first time. That's why everybody experienced things for the first time. This is our first time doing this by ourselves. The only thing I'm experienced with is charcoal.
Not catching the wood.
Mm-mm. Maybe you just need a little minute. Maybe you just need a little minute.
So I don't need like a piece of paper like.
Cause the wax look like it's leaking onto the wood, so. Bring it back some a little bit. Bring it back this way some.
What do you mean bring it back?
Like bring the little the cube thingy back some.
Use this? Bring what back? This?
No, the cube, the little light thingy, the thing that's lit up.
This?
Yeah, bring it back towards us, yeah. Okay. Child, I don't know. Yo, that's a big ass spider.
Where?
Right there. Babe, where your phone?
Use the light.
You see it?
I was just standing right there too.
Y'all, that's a big old spider. Oh my gosh. Babe, that's a tarantula. Nope. Baby, look, I don't do well with bugs. Y'all, that's a big old spider. You see my girl, come on. Okay guys, so as you can see, we decided to come back into the room because for one, there was a big ass spider that kept tormenting me the whole time we was out there. So I was ready to come back in the house. And another reason why is because the light, like the pit, wouldn't start. So we're gonna try it again tomorrow. We're gonna try it a little earlier. And this time we're gonna put the wood like further to the back because we had it too exposed in the front. Like I said, I've never lit wood before, so I don't know anything about lighting wood. I know charcoal. I don't know anything about wood. So mama was thinking maybe it was still kind of wet, maybe, or it was too exposed. Yeah, or it was too exposed in the like out part, because it was my idea to like put it more out because we was gonna sit out there while the food was cooking, so I kind of wanted it to like warm us up while we're sitting out there cooking the food. But oh well, we'll try again tomorrow when we make breakfast or whatever. But yeah, so we just decided we're gonna try
that shit from 2 o'clock
in the morning or in the evening. Oh, in the evening. So we decided we're just gonna use the little pots and pans that they had here. So we're gonna put the chicken in here and then put the corn in the water, I guess. And we're just gonna see how it goes. It's not gonna be like how we wanted it to be because, you know, we wanted it grilled on the grill or whatever, but oh well. And what time is it? It's 6:50. It's not that late, but
you think it's that late? It looks so damn dark.
Right, it's pitch, y'all. It's pitch black outside. Like, it's so dark out there. You would think it's 10 o'clock.
I wish they would have included some lights.
Yes, like they can't put no road lights or whatever it's called. Like I think they would have made it better.
Yeah, some lights at each entrance.
Yeah, but oh well.
Cause I ain't gonna lie, I looked behind me like a million times.
Yeah, I sure did. I did the same exact thing.
You see me keep pressing the car and starting it up?
Yeah.
Just so I can see
that's what you were doing.
Yeah.
Oh. So yeah, we're gonna try it again tomorrow because we are determined to use that grill. So we just got this in here.
Maybe also some 2 other people.
Oh yeah, they would have been fine.
Yeah.
Cause you know, it would have been more people. We really have to worry about the dark. But oh well. It is what it is. So I'm just gonna put all this stuff in here and put all the butter in there. I still want it to be buttery. I want it on the grill.
I did too.
We want to grill so bad.
Oh, we're gonna make it one day.
One day we're gonna grill. I guess today ain't today. Did we bring anything to eat with this chicken? That's you? What?
What?
What's making my nose like that? Let me turn it down.
I make it work somehow. It never go as planned, but I go with plan B. But make it work, I know Babe want to make this. So
I really do want to make some.
I feel like we'd have to, if we're gonna do tomorrow, we don't get that much coal or we don't get that much what's the name. If we get to like that one time, we'll have to cook and do this at the same time. I don't know. We have to do this tomorrow regardless because we need to, you know.
Oh yeah, leaving Friday morning. So we can do that like around 4 when the light is still up. Cook and make s'mores.
Yeah.
Cause tomorrow we're doing with burgers.
Yeah. Should shrimp go on the s'mores?
Oh, you know, we can do that for like lunch or something.
What?
The shish kebab sticks, because the seafood is defrosting, I think. Let me see. I thought this was like a freezer part, but everything is defrosting. Yep. But in the morning, it's going to be defrosted.
You feel it's not going to be good?
I don't know, but I know the scallops, like it said once you defrost them, you have to cook them. So maybe I'll just pan sear them. And we can eat it like that.
Yeah, guys, just look, I make it work somehow, you know. If I improvise, doesn't mean in life you have to improvise. Plan A might not work, but plan B will. I have to eat somehow, cause guys, it ain't no grocery store in sight.
At all.
At all.
No grocery store, no food store. I mean, no food place, nothing.
Nothing at all, man. And guys, we have to put on the curtains. Cause us behind them curtains is just straight darkness. You don't know who was watching you. Alright guys, we're getting close to it. We're not close. We're about to end this video right here. But before I end it, I'm gonna show you guys how the food is looking. Delicioso. Like I said, it didn't go as we planned, but hey, food look good as long as we're eating. Plan A didn't work, so plan B is working. Here's baby food right here.
It's me food.
We still got 3 more cooking, just in case you got still a little hungry. She's wrapping right here. Make sure you gotta like, comment, subscribe, and just journey with us. We're gonna try our best to.
I knew it was a bug in here.
Where? You see a bug?
Yes, it's crawling. Oh wait, I can't do this.
I mean, yeah, we in the woods. Of course, you're gonna find bugs and stuff.
What is this? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh. Well.
You can wipe it up?
It's in the
Oh, you in the carpet? Anyways, guys, go catch you guys in day 2, which is tomorrow. So yeah, join with us and like and subscribe. And if you guys wait to the end of this video, which is pretty long, I know. If you guys came all the way, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Keep grinding. Peace.